Hey Glammies, welcome to my channel, Karbglam, and today I'm so excited because we're gonna be giving the first impression of the Frozen collection. Yes, this is the Elsa Frozen collection by Colourpop, and we're gonna be reviewing. Nos vamos a revisar este producto para los coleccionistas de Disney, que es Frozen, la película número 2. On Frozen 2 collection. But first, I'm gonna introducing Mrs. Glammy. Hey Mrs. Glammy, say hey guys. Mrs. Glammy gonna be in all my Christmas tutorials here, guys. You see, she's so glam. She got makeup, she got pearls, and she got a beautiful outfit and pearls everywhere and a fluffy fashion boots. She's gonna be in all my tutorials, so I wanted to introduce you. So, para mis amigas latinas, este es la señorita Glam, y ella representa a todas mis Glammies y está muy elegante vestida con perlas por todos lados y unas botas super fashion. So, ella va a estar en todos mis tutoriales. Just gonna put just right here, because God is Christmas. It's Christmas, so let's gonna jump into the video. But first, cacao. It's a rainy day, it's frozen, so perfect for make frozen. But you know, I need my cacao. And if you want to continue watching, let's go. So here we got the collection. It came like this, well packaged and beautiful. You need to keep this box because it's amazing, beautiful forever. Así bien empacadita, bien bonita. Podemos conservar la caja porque esto no se ve todos los días. Just gonna open. And guys, is all the magic. It's all the magic on here. All the Disney magic for y'all. So I'm gonna be teaching you one by one. You can follow my stories and you can know more about it. So these came the eyeshadows. That's gonna remove it came the palette. And it came the colors, like 9 colors, and the names of the colors here down, like all the story color from Colourpop, and the colors are amazing, beautiful, guys. It's such a beautiful colors, and I love because it's cold colors, and I love cold colors. Los colores son bien hermosos y me encanta porque son colores fríos y amo los tonos fríos. Come the lipstick. Come the glitter. Let me know, guys, if you already watched the movies. Comment down below what you think about the movies. Did you see with your daughters? I haven't seen because I didn't see my little boy is interested in movies. This is so beautiful. So just gonna try the pomade since we got open, the gel. Since we got open, and it's so beautiful. I just put a little bit. And I think it's super gorgeous. We bring chunky glitter and it's super gorgeous. Creo que es muy bonito y vamos a estar revisando uno a uno productos, chicas, por si ustedes saben que en este canal revisamos, y si a ustedes les gusta ya ustedes lo pueden adquirir. Si yo les digo vale la pena, no vale la pena. No había tenido tiempo de hacer el video, pero los productos los tengo ya desde hace rato, y también hay giveaway, así que está pendiente al final. Estos son los shades, como ya les mostré. Ahora vamos a ver los colores, a ver qué tal. Y voy a empezar por este y voy a ir así. So here we got all the colors, and the Tila's color is Awakeness. Dill Silver is Ice Crystals, and Spring Reef, which is like a cranberry or something like that. So I think it's super beautiful. Ok chicos, y ya regresé, ya mis ojos están listos para trabajar en ellos. Le eché mucho polvo por si cae el color, porque ya tengo mi cara casi hecha. Y estoy usando la P. Louise base para sombras. So let's gonna jump into this and let's gonna review. I'm using the P. Louise Ice Based, and I'm using a number 01, but my favorite is I think my tongue is Rumor 02. So the Stay Blank blush is a bomb. Let's gonna begin blending the color. And the first color I'm gonna be using is this. It's Fire. It's a beautiful transitional color. Now let's gonna take the color. Let's gonna see what comes, because I don't have idea what I'm gonna be doing. Now I'm taking the color Water, which is in translucent blue, and it's perfect because it makes the shadow effect we want to have. So ahora estoy usando el color llamado Agua, que es un azul muy translúcido, el cual cuando se mezcla con las sombras lo que crea es como el efecto sombreado. Y los coleccionistas de Disney y la persona que les gusta coleccionar todas las colecciones de Disney, no les puede faltar Frozen 2. La colección pasada que yo hice, la última fue la del Rey León, que se la ganaron en Colombia. I'll be taking, oh yes, I'm gonna be taking this Awake with. So I'm gonna be taking Awake is something. And I go begin like putting like on here. I took this not Glossy. With a more cool effect color. So I was saying that for the Disney collectioners, this is the best option, and the last collection I got for Disney was the Lion King that I made a huge giveaway, you remember? Now I'm gonna take this shade called Spindrift of Spanish. I don't know how to pronounce. It's like a darkest color, like gray color, and I'm gonna be putting into the crease and blend. Tomé el color llamado Spindrift y lo único que voy a hacer es mezclar. Ustedes saben que la base de todo maquillaje es una buena brocha y un buen mezclado. So now I'm gonna be taking a little bit of water, more blue, and put it just hit. I felt like it took forever blend the purple color. Oh my goodness. Take your time to blend, because it's here where it is the makeup stuff in blend. So now let's go to put in the top, and I'm gonna go ahead with the silver color, and let's gonna do the silver color, which is so beautiful, silver. Wow, I'm seeing the look, yeah, please. I'm feeling the look. Blends the colors together here, which is the Awakened. If you want to put a little bit of blue, light transition, that would be great. A little bit of the transition color between the gray and the, oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. Un poquito de azul aquí para transicionar el morado con el Awaken. So I'm gonna apply the Heavy Metal by Urban Decay just in here to avoid the shade. Go on the top. And that goes to black.
So now I'm gonna be applying a more blue shadow because I want my corners to be blue. Estoy aplicando más azul y ahora voy a mezclar con el otro tono.
One thing I'm gonna do now is the highlighter, and then blends everything perfect. So what I'm gonna be using for the highlighter is my highlighter Lancome Crime, and I'm gonna be using this color, which is so pop of beautifulness. This is the palette called Angel, and I'm gonna mix the blue that I put with the Angel highlighter. Tiene un color maravilloso que trae esta paleta de Lancome Crime called Angels, y lo estoy mezclando con el azul para darle ese color, ese tono como congelado y hermoso. Y miren cómo cambia el azul enseguida. Se unta con este y queda.
Here what I'm gonna do is I spray the brush and put the highlighter on my top lip, so just gonna be increase the colors, highlight a little bit more, so that's all. And now I go to take this color called like cranberry. That is the other, I think it's like the light cranberry, and the name is Awaken, and I just gonna blend. And now I'm gonna put the highlighter, this beautiful highlighter for Lancome Crime. Este hermoso highlighter de Lancome Crime, el link está bajito, chicos. Yeah, now, yes, let's gonna overline our lips. And I'm using my lip liner in this color that look alike, like cranberry. This is all we're gonna do. Vamos a delinear el labio así, de esta manera, y luego vamos a poner el labial. Al principio no me gustaba mucho este tono, pero creo que quedó bonito. Y look more like Elsa is using the same lipstick, so I noticed that.
I think the look looks so beautiful like this. It looks so beautiful. I was gonna go ahead with the glows. Why you prefer glows or not glows? I was gonna use the glows. This wasn't a normal day. I just used the glows. Oh, I was super easy. but easy to apply. Colourpop lipstick are not sticky and nothing like this. I think they got the perfect shapes and perfect formula.
Guys, I was just listening this and I said, boom. So here at the end, I just put in glitter whatever you want. I just put it in my cheek and in my neck. How you think it looks? I think the results are beautiful, guys, but I think I missed one thing and I'm gonna do it just right now. I was leaving for the last, and this is the cherry of the ice cream. So and I was just gonna put the pressed glitter. It's smaller than the other glitter in our cheeks. Lo dejé para el último y es ponernos la escarcha compresa que viene ahí.
I make my hair like more like Anna, more like Elsa. She got like this, so you just can take your hair and pull just like and make something like this. Alright, why not? So now he is an Elsa in the picture. And this is the final result, guys. Let me know in the comments if you like the look, if you like the review. So what I think, amazing. I love all the Colourpop products. The price always affordable and nothing disappointment at all. So it's just an amazing thing that you have to have in your collection, in your Disney collection. So guys, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share with all of your friends, and comment down below if you like it. Chicos, si les gusta esta clase de videos, no se olviden de darle dedito arriba, comentar y compartir con sus amigos. Yo creo que el look de Elsa si se parece, chicos, y ustedes comenten abajo qué parecen. Ya saben que los productos van a estar abajito si los quieren conseguir. Muchas gracias, chicos, y nos vemos en la próxima. So guys, you know, the links down below if you want to purchase any product you like it. So see ya.